In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to change your iPhone password or passcode. All you have to need, unlock your iPhone and then go to your iPhone settings. In settings, scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. And then enter here your current passcode. And here you have to scroll down and tap on Change Passcode. Now enter here your current passcode. And now go ahead and enter your new passcode. And note one thing, that if you change your passcode, then you have to wait 72 hours to again change your passcode here. And now tap on passcode options, and here you can select 4-digit numeric code, you can select 6-digit numeric code, custom numeric code, or you can select custom alphanumeric code. So just select any of the option and then just go ahead and write your new passcode just like this. And here tap on change passcode and re-enter the passcode here. And that's it. As you can see, I've successfully changed my iPhone passcode. Thanks for watching.